Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified so when I upload video. What up y'all? On today's video we're gonna do a fall look. I created this look with this palette I got in the mail the other day and I'm so excited because I ordered this like a week ago, and I've been seeing this palette floating around Facebook, floating around Instagram, and I really love the colors in this palette. It's so beautiful, so bright, so gorgeous. So I had to purchase it, and it was very inexpensive. It was about around $28, $30, something like that. But it's so pretty. Are you guys ready? I had to create a look. So I did one eye off camera, but I'm gonna go step by step with you guys so you guys can see how I create this look. And this palette right here, it is called the Exotic Pop. Girl, baby girl, this palette is amazing. Look at this. Can you guys can we just have a moment right now? Can we have a freaking moment? So freaking beautiful. You got the glitters down here, which I haven't really tried those out yet, and you got the shimmers, you got the matte, and you got the bright colors are so pretty. And this palette is so pigmented, you know, and it's by what is this, Ching Beauty Exotic Pop. I don't know if you guys ever seen this floating around your social media, but this is amazing. Came in the other day and I was so excited to try it out, and I did create this look. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment down below what looks would you like to see next. Don't forget to share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in this channel. Because we lit. We lit. Yes, girl. Till next time. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.